Travel vocabulary. Suitcase. Suitcase. I pack my suitcase. I pack my suitcase. Passport. Passport. I need my passport. I need my passport. Airport. Airport. I go to the airport. I go to the airport. Baggage claim. Baggage claim. I get my suitcase from baggage claim. Plane ticket. Plane ticket. I need a plane ticket. I need a plane ticket. Hotel. Hotel. I check in at the hotel. I check in at the hotel. Airplane. Airplane. I am on the airplane. I am on the airplane. Taxi. Taxi. I will hail the taxi. I will hail the taxi. Flight times. Flight times. I will check the flight times. I will check the flight times. Currency exchange. Currency exchange. I will exchange my money for another currency.
Quiz time! Don't forget to like and subscribe.
What is this? Passport or plane ticket. Passport. What is this? Flight times or baggage claim. Baggage claim. What is this? Currency exchange or hotel. Hotel. What is this? Suitcase or baggage claim. Suitcase. Where is this? Airplane or airport. Airport. What is this? Flight times or plane ticket. Plane ticket. What is this? Hotel or taxi. Taxi. What is this? Plane ticket or airplane. Airplane. What is this? Flight times or passport. Flight times. What is this? Currency exchange or taxi. Currency exchange.